Do you remember حروف قلقلة?
Okay.
There are 5 حروف قلقلة. قاف طا با
Oh yeah.
جيم دال.
Hmm.
5 حروف قلقلة. And when we reach on حروف قلقلة, we must give a jerk in their sound. Yes, قاف طا, then ba, then جيم and dal. Yes.
It looks like a upside down C.
Yes, this dal. And this one also. This one looks like B.
This one looks like E.
Yes. Right sound. Right side, left hand. Okay. And we should remove these. So these 5 are huruf qalqala: qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever we end, whenever we finish a word, stop on it, and at the end we have these huruf qalqala, or in the midst of the harf, but these are sakin. When we have them sakin, okay, so we give a jerk in their sound, like khuliqa waqfan, khuliq,
Huli, hulik,
khuliq,
huliku.
wasata waqfan, wasat,
Wa- Wasako. Wasat.
wasata
Wasato.
waqfan, wasat,
Wakufan. Wasat.
wasat,
Wasat.
waqaba
Wakuba.
waqfan,
Bakufan.
waqab,
Wakabu.
and walija
Walija.
waqfan,
Wakufan.
walij,
Walij.
walada
Walada.
waqfan,
Wakufan.
walad.
Walad.
Okay, so these are huruf qalqala. And yes, so that's why we say waqfan qu'ud.
Wakufan. Kuru.
No, not qurud, qu'ud.
Urud.
Ain sound. qu'ud,
Uud.
shuhud.
Shuhud.
Okay.